Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Coinx and I'm happy to have you guys back here. Today I have a very quick news that I want to share with you guys. Cherry Audio just released a free synth plugin called Synthesizer Expander Model. So if you're interested to have another free synth, I'll be leaving the link in the description for you to go check it out. Try it out and let us know what you think. So with that being said, let's just quickly go through the factory presets and check out one or two features. Alright guys, and as you can see, they have a whole lot of factory presets you can try out, and there are some interesting features they made mention of on their official website, like this one right here. They called it the QWERTY keyboard. Pops up an on-screen keyboard that you can use as your MIDI as well. This is quite interesting, and many other things we are not really gonna go into for today, and I believe this is just the surface of what this plugin is capable of. But like I said, it's a very quick one. Just want to bring out this news for you guys. I'll be leaving the link in the description. Feel free to download, try it out, and let us know your findings in the comment section. So guys, that will be it for this quick brief news that I want to share with you guys. Like always, stay creative, stay focused, and see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.